Hello everyone, my name is Hilda and welcome back for Vlogmas Day 11. I am starting with the Nightmare Before Christmas Funko Advent Calendar today because yesterday we got Shock and the day before that we got Lock. So I want to see if we get Barrel today. I'm way too curious, so I just have to check. Hence, opening this first. We did not get Barrel, we got Jack Skellington, the regular version, the one that's on the front of the box. No, sorry, the back of the box. So we have now got Jack and Sally, and I'm assuming we still have to get Sandy. But yeah, I'm kind of wondering whether, is it going to be like last year's Harry Potter Advent Calendar where there was only one Weasley twin? Or is Barrel still somewhere in here? Wait and see, I suppose. So, and for day 11 of the ink, let's go and have a look. Oh good. Party time. It looks like another purple. Not something I'm waiting for, to be honest. So let's start by swatching Party Time. It's a shimmer ink, has a lot of purple shimmer. Could be interesting to keep for backgrounds in paintings, but I'm not really terribly convinced. This is the second. Actually, it might be a pink. Looking at it like this, in which case it would be the second pink. Oh, that is a pink. See if I can really get that glitter. Might still be some glitter on that brush as well, because I just really dunked it. Now I'm going to get some water and fan it out a bit. Okay, so a pink ink with a blue sheen. I think this may be a strong contender to go to one of my nieces. I don't know, I'll have to see what it looks like when it dries. Oh well. Hey up! Are you going to help me find the Jack Skellingtons? No? Do you want cuddles? Not want to help me. You want me to cuddle you? Yeah? Paw massage. Yeah? Come on, help me find them, boy. Yeah, you're right. That is a Jack. So let's conclude for day 11. Jack Skellington, well, obviously you couldn't have the Nightmare Before Christmas calendar without a standard Jack. So far, and I don't have the other two handy, so I will have to insert a picture. So far we've got regular Jack, which is today's. And then the first day we had the Pumpkin King, and then we also, I can't remember which day that was, but we also got a Jack who was in his pajamas and holding his little journal, the scientific method. So yeah. And like all the other ones, he's very detailed for such a tiny thing. He can stand up. I swear he can. As you can see. And then party time. Well, it's a miss for me personally. I know that shimmer inks and colors like that are all the rage. They're very, very popular right now with alternative Christmas colors and stuff. And let me find it. It does paint very diversely because you can go for a very watered down pastel pink to a magenta and then add in the shimmer by going in really thickly. And if you're wondering what the stripes is, I used one of these. I have them here. I used the lavender of these Copic glitter fine liners. They are legit Copics. Twinkling like stars, the packages. It's not a lie, they're the Art You Spicas. But yeah. Talking about those pens aside, I'm more excited about those pens coming in the mail today than the ink. Although I do like the gradient effect that you can get with this ink, including with the shimmer. So that is nice. That's definitely a bonus for me. Otherwise, it's a kind of a miss for me personally. But yeah, I mean, it could have all been worse. So there's that. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of an ink like that. Is it something that you would purchase? I wouldn't get the full bottle, the full-size bottle when it's released, but I'm sure other people will absolutely love it. And let me know what you think of the Funko. If you leave a comment, please be kind. And I will see you tomorrow for a Vlogmas Day 12. I have just discovered that Jack can literally stand on his head, which is more amusing to me than it should be. But there you go.